I have taken some cooked rice over here. I am adding it to a mixer and I am going to blend it nicely. So I have blended the rice now. I haven't added any water. I have just blended only the cooked rice. I have now taken some field beans. They are also called as val or val papdi, and these are boiled ones. So I am going to add it in a mixer and I am going to blend it coarsely. So this val is blended. I have blended it coarsely, as I mentioned. I have not made it into a very fine paste. We are now making the filling. So for that purpose I have heated up some oil in a pan. I am adding these val. These val, they are boiled and we have blended them coarsely. I am now adding some chopped red capsicum. Giving it a quick saute. Adding some sugar. Some turmeric powder. Red chili powder. Some garam masala. This is cumin, coriander seeds powder. And salt as per taste. I'm going to mix it nicely. I have sauteed it for just 1 or 2 minutes. Adding some chopped green coriander. A quick mix. And now I am putting off the gas. The filling is ready. I am going to now remove this filling from the pan and allow it to cool. So this is the cooked rice that we blended in a mixer. I am going to add salt as per taste. We have already added salt in the filling or the stuffing. So this is ready. I'm going to make small balls of this. After making 4 balls from the rice mixture, I have just flattened them a bit. Let us go ahead with the next process. On a flat surface, I have spread some oil. I am going to fix this butter paper. I have taken this flattened roll, the rice roll. I am using a rolling pin to roll it. I am just greasing some oil so that the rice mixture doesn't stick. Once this is rolled up nicely, I'm going to add some stuffing. Once the stuffing is added, I'm going to place one side over the other. After pressing this, I'm going to seal the edges. You will have to use some oil. The rice should not stick. So once the edges are sealed, I have this designer cutter. I'm going to cut the edges. So this karanji is ready. Let's make one more karanji. You roll it nicely. Use oil whenever you need. Since this is cooked rice, it is going to stick to your hands, to your butter paper. So just to avoid that, use oil. And in between, while rolling, just keep on removing it so that you are ensured that it has not stuck to the butter paper. So this is nicely rolled. Adding the stuffing. Don't add too much stuffing. The rice is very delicate, so there's a possibility that the stuffing may come out. Push the stuffing inside from the edges and seal the edges. Once this is done, trimming the edges. So we have one more karanji ready here. So here you can see my karanjis are fully ready. Let's go ahead with the next process. For the tempering purpose, I have heated up some oil in a pan, adding the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle a bit. Now adding some asafoetida, that is hing, some green chilies, curry leaves, Going to saute it. Adding some chopped coriander. So once this is done, I am going to add the karanjis. Let this remain on this side for some time. After 1 or 2 minutes, I am going to flip them. So you can see after the tempering has coated them, they look so nice. So now once the tempering has coated from both the sides, the dish is fully ready to be served. So I am putting off the gas and serving it. So our dish is completely ready. I have served here with a pickle and a chutney, and you can also see how wonderful the filling looks.